doing a cook with me because I want to, and it's fall and it's raining outside, so I figured let's be cozy and cook, bake, whatever we're doing. Anyways, I'm in my hoodie and my little plaid leggings, and it's very fall today. We're very happy about it. We're living the good life. Pumpkin spice baking mix because I'm not a cook, and directions help, okay? So, this mix is from Krusty's. So, this is the multi-purpose baking mix with pumpkin spice, quick bread, pancakes, and cookies. Look how delicious. Ingredients, what do we need? We need 2/3 cup of water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. And then of course this little pouch thing. We don't have eggs. We're going to run to the store and buy some eggs, okay? So let's go do that. Then we'll make our pumpkin spice loaf.
Dollar General had the stuff. We're gonna go check out now.
I'm back. Okay, so Dollar General had eggs. Okay, eggs. Now we need to heat oven as directed in bake chart below. Lightly grease baking pan. For each batch you will need 2/3 cup of water. Check. 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Check. 2 eggs. Lightly grease. Stir together water, oil, and eggs and full pouch of baking mix until well blended. Oil, water, 2 eggs. I'm really sorry if you're a vegan. Don't get salmonella, kids. Ow! Okay, open box. That's gonna be it. Oh, it smells so much like pumpkin. Now here's where you can get a little bit creative. It says, and I quote, "Stir together." I'm going to whisk. Pop the egg. That looks appetizing. What are you making? Pumpkin spice loaf. Shout out to Assad Cartier. Sorry, I can't pronounce names. They just commented on my video. Nice video. I gave it a thumbs up. Thanks. I'm pretty depressed because I lost a subscriber overnight, but we're still very close to 100, and I'm very excited. So, now that that has been whisked, we're going to do this glorious pumpkin spice loaf. Spoon batter, or whisk, into pan. Oh wow, that was really satisfying. I feel like I should probably zoom in, but it's kind of too late now. We're going to get a baby spatula to get the rest of this stuff out. Once that's done and our oven is preheated, we're going to pop it in the oven for...
All around me are familiar faces.
And while we wait, we're going to be good little bakers and clean up the kitchen. Ah, why do you have so many toaster strudels? Ah! It's a great, oh no. She's a little high. Is that good? Okay, I'm gonna eat lunch and then we're gonna do a taste test.
She cute though.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. Yeah, this tastes like pure fall. Long and short, that was good. You should totally make it. I'll link the thing down below, and thanks for watching.